Hi Amy, just got your email. Just wanted to see exactly how long it takes me to grind 30 grams of beans. So that's what I've got weighed out here on my scale. I'm going to add it to the grinder. And apparently I'm going to throw coffee beans all over my kitchen. Let me retrieve a couple of those. Okay, I think I got them. So I've got those in there. And now I'm going to start the timer. So got a couple seconds there. Now I'm going to put the phone down so I can grind here. Okay. Started grinding at 9 seconds. And I've got the grinder set to fairly fine setting. This usually takes a little bit longer than the coarser settings to grind, so let's see how long this takes. I'm at 28 seconds right now, so about 19 seconds in. Usually this takes me a couple of minutes, maybe 1-2 minutes. So we'll see exactly. I haven't actually timed it, so this is an interesting exercise for me too. Thanks for asking about this. This is something I've been meaning to do, so I think a lot of people ask this very same question. But this morning I got motivated to do a quick video. So we're now at 1 minute, and I can feel the grinder's almost done. It feels like it anyway. I don't know. Again. Yeah, coming up on the end of this. So yeah, I'm out at, grinder is empty, and it's 146, so take 9 seconds off that, call it 140 to grind about 30 grams of beans. Anyway, hopefully that helps. I don't know, yeah, so if you have questions or if there's something still going on with the grinder, it takes you longer than, 2 minutes or so. That's probably a long time for 30 grams of beans. Anyway, thanks again, thanks for your purchase. Let me know if I can help. Bye.